Hello, Excellians. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are building a fully automated, contactless QR code attendance system right inside Microsoft Excel, without needing expensive third-party software or active internet APIs during operation. Whether you run a small office, manage a school classroom, or organize events, tracking attendance manually is slow and prone to errors. In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to transform standard Excel into a real-time tracking terminal. When an employee scans their ID badge using a simple USB scanner, Excel automatically looks up their profile, stamps the exact date and time, flags whether they are on time or late, and updates an interactive dashboard in real time. Best of all, our setup uses clean VBA automation that validates every single scan on the fly. If an unrecognized QR code is scanned, the system instantly catches the error, clears the input, and prevents corrupted data from entering your log. Let's dive right in. Section 1. System Architecture and Worksheet Structure. Before writing code, let's understand how our workbook is structured across three core sheets: Dashboard, Attendance Log, and Employee Master. First, the Employee Master Sheet. Our system relies on a centralized database of registered staff. Column A for Employee ID holds unique identifiers like EMP1001, EMP1002, and so on. Column B stores the employee's legal name, such as Arif Sharma or Fatima Rahman. Column C for Department categorizes staff into engineering, human resources, operations, marketing, and finance. Column D for Designation shows job titles like Senior Developer or HR Manager. Column E for QR Code displays dynamically generated 2D QR codes using image function corresponding to each employee ID. Using QR codes instead of 1D linear barcodes gives us multidirectional scanning, higher data density, and resistance to physical badge damage or creasing. Second, the Attendance Log Sheet. This sheet acts as our real-time scanning terminal and event ledger. Column A for Scanned ID, the active input target where the hardware scanner types the ID. Column B and C for Employee Name and Department, automatically populated by VBA when a valid ID is matched. Column D for Full Date and Time Recording or timestamp with formatting. Column E and F for separated date and time values for modular reporting and date filtering. Column G for Status evaluates arrival time dynamically, tagging entries as checked in or late. Unlike basic setups that rely on cell formulas like VLOOKUP, our setup populates this data as static values directly through VBA. This keeps the file fast, eliminates thousands of volatile formula calculations, and ensures historical records remain accurate even if employee details change later. Third, the Interactive Dashboard Sheet. At the front of our workbook sits the high-level management dashboard. KPI summary cards, quick visual metrics for total scans logged, on-time check-ins, and late arrivals. The COUNTIF function is used to extract today's dates from the timestamp column to get the total scans logged. For on-time check-ins and late arrivals, the status column is used as another criteria for the COUNTIFs function to filter out the checked-in and late counts respectively. Department breakdown table aggregates staff count, daily check-ins, and late arrivals across departments using COUNTIFs logic. The grand total is obtained using the sum function. Dynamic charting, a column chart displaying real-time attendance trends across all organization departments. Section 2. The VBA Scanner Engine and Error Handling. Now let's examine the VBA event macro driving the automation on the attendance log sheet. We use the worksheet change event on the attendance log sheet, which triggers instantly the moment a physical scanner writes an ID into column A and sends a carriage return or the enter key. Step 1. Restricting execution to column A. To keep Excel running efficiently, we must ensure the macro only triggers when a scan occurs in column A, ignoring edits made elsewhere in the workbook. By adding if target.countLarge greater than 1 or target.row equals 1 then exit sub, we guard against bulk paste operations or accidental edits to table headers. Step 2. Preventing infinite loops with enable events. When VBA writes data back to the worksheet, such as placing timestamps in columns B through G, Excel interprets those writes as new user changes. If not controlled, this causes a recursive infinite loop that can freeze Excel. We prevent this by turning off event listening before writing data. Step 3. Serverless lookup and instant error interception. Instead of writing VLOOKUP formulas into worksheet cells, we execute application.VLOOKUP natively inside VBA. If a scanned QR code does not exist in our employee master sheet, application.VLOOKUP returns an error object rather than crashing the script. We intercept this immediately. This defensive coding approach guarantees that bad, corrupted, or unregistered scans leave zero traces in your database. Column A stays completely clean, and no not available errors ever appear on your screen. Step 4. Stamping static values, timestamping, and auto-advancing. When a scan is validated, the macro writes static values across the adjacent columns using target.offset. Notice the conditional check on time value now. If an employee scans after 10 a.m., their status is automatically set to late. Otherwise, they are marked checked in. Finally, target.offset10.select automatically shifts the cursor down one cell, leaving the terminal ready for the next person in line. Section 3. Testing and real-world deployment. Now let's test our complete attendance engine. Open the attendance log sheet and click on cell A2. Scan a valid employee QR code badge, for example EMP1001. Instantly, cell A2 registers the ID, B2 fills with R of Sharma, C2 shows engineering, and columns D through G stamp the precise time and attendance status. The active selection automatically steps down to cell A3. Now scan an unregistered QR code or random text string, for example EMP9999. Excel evaluates the lookup, catches the mismatch through is error EMP name, clears cell A3, and keeps the cursor right on A3. No row is recorded, and your dataset remains 100% error-free. Now, switch over to the Dashboard tab. Because our formulas utilize COUNTIF's logic linked to the attendance log records, every valid check-in instantly updates the total scan counts, late arrival metrics, department breakdown tables, and summary charts in real time. Finally, you now have a complete, professional, and fully automated contactless QR attendance system built directly inside Microsoft Excel. By combining clean worksheet design, native VBA lookups, and defensive error management, you have created a robust solution that performs reliably without relying on expensive subscription software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions in the comments below. You can download the complete macro code and working sample file from the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and happy excelling!